The door is open. The door is open. The window is closed. The window is closed. The light is on. The light is on. The fan is off. The fan is off. The floor is wet. The floor is wet. The wall is white. The wall is white. The sky is clear. The sky is clear. The clouds are dark. The clouds are dark. The stars are many. The stars are many. The river is deep. The river is deep. The mountain is high. The mountain is high. The road is long. The road is long. The shop is closed. The shop is closed. The market is crowded. The market is crowded. The garden is beautiful. The garden is beautiful. The park is empty. The park is empty. The room is dark. The room is dark. The bed is soft. The bed is soft. The pillow is small. The pillow is small. The blanket is warm. The blanket is warm. The table is round. The table is round. The plate is dirty. The plate is dirty. The cup is broken. The cup is broken. The spoon is clean. The spoon is clean. The knife is sharp. The knife is sharp. The clothes are new. The clothes are new. The shoes are old. The shoes are old. The bag is light. The bag is light. The box is heavy. The box is heavy. The picture is nice. The picture is nice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these simple English sentences, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Learn daily sentences, grammar, and stories to improve your English step by step. Stay connected, stay learning.